Offshore wind turbine generators are proving to be a very effective solution, but the current method of deployment are presenting many limitations. Offshore wind turbine generators are getting larger and heavier. Currently, the various wind turbine components are shipped by sea from manufacturing facilities around the world to the contracted pre-assembly ports. However, most ports in the world have limited areas for storage and pre-assembly of wind turbine generators, including ports in the USA, Japan and Taiwan. This lack of viable port space represents a serious constraint in the proliferation of offshore wind turbines globally. Existing wind farm installation vessels can only carry 3 to a maximum of 6 wind turbine generators at a time. Once these are installed, the vessels must return to port for reloading. Currently, the installation of the offshore wind turbine generators are performed by 3 different vessels. This represents a major logistic inefficiency, generates unnecessary high costs, and increases handling risks. The existing wind turbine installation vessels are inadequate, far too small, very expensive, and can only operate near shore in water depths of approximately 60 meters. Windthrust presents the Oceandock LX, a major technical and economical innovation that will redefine offshore wind turbine installations around the world. The Oceandock LX is a 60,000 square meter self-propelled floating port for warehousing, assembling and installing foundations, wind turbine generators and substations. The Oceandock LX simultaneously unloads wind turbine components from feeder ships, assembles and installs complete wind turbine generators, installs jackets and topside substations, and positions and drives monopile foundations. The innovative 60,000 square meter floating port is equipped with dynamic positioning capability for precise maneuvering and positioning, 2 tugs for assisting with the berthing of feeder ships delivering wind turbine components, 2 boom lifts for assisting with the installation and assembly of wind turbine generators, 2 2,600-ton cranes and 1 6,000-ton crane capable of covering every square meter of the 60,000 square meter deck that can operate independently and simultaneously with different tasks. The 6,000-ton crane can safely position a 6,000-ton substation topside in one single lift. The 2,500-ton monopile foundations can be installed while the assembly of the wind turbine generators are being carried out. Assembly of the wind turbine generators will take place at near deck level, making it possible for the complete wind turbine generator units to be placed in position in one single lift, making the operation safer and faster. The Oceandock LX has a 60,000 square metre clear deck area, plus 700,000 cubic metres of underdeck area, and over 600 metres of docking space for the safe berthing of multiple feeder ships delivering wind turbine components. The innovative floating port solution provides stable and secure storage for over 500,000 tonnes of substations, monopile foundations and wind turbine generator components. Furthermore, it can accommodate over 100 personnel and is not required to return to port for reloading. The self-propelled Oceandock LX is a cost-effective solution for offshore energy providers. The major key benefits of the Oceandock LX are: zero onshore port cost. No land is required ashore for storage and pre-assembly of wind turbine generators. Zero costs for onshore equipment for pre-assembly of wind turbine generators. Zero onshore port fees for feeder vessels transporting wind turbine generator components. Zero onshore port fees for current wind farm installation vessels. These vessels will no longer be required. Zero stevedoring costs at the onshore port for unloading feeder vessels bringing in or reloading wind turbine generator components. Zero shipping costs from the onshore port to the wind farm and dead time voyage back to the onshore port for reloading. The Oceandock LX can safely operate in 8 meters wave height in any water depth. Minimizes footprint in sensitive coastal areas. Reduction of handling operations and costs by delivering the wind turbine generator's components direct to the Oceandock LX. Reduction of the supply chain, time, costs and risks. The size of the Oceandock LX is scalable. The Oceandock LX will generate more than 50% savings on current costs. The Oceandock LX, an innovative breakthrough in engineering, providing solutions to the challenges facing today's global offshore wind energy providers.